Well, this is an update on my food forest. Here is the sugar plum, green gage, Italian plum, goji. Over here you have camellia, green tea. Yep. Yeah, I like green tea. Over here, sweet hollyhock. Very good eating. Rose campion. This is my Satsuma orange. This is it's going on to its 5th years outside. Yep. Here's a lovely rose. This rose is very nice. It's one of my favorites. Yep. Sure is. Yep. This is lemon balm. Yep, this here. Very nice eating. Lavender, beautiful colors, lavender. Yep. Yep. An iris. Sure is, iris. Little buttercup. More hollyhock. Gorgeous rose. Yep, beautiful rose. More lavender. Here's some fennel. Gotta eat some of that. Lots of fennel here. Walnut tree. Yep. My lemon tree didn't fare so good out here this year, but it is coming back, you see. Right there. But it didn't fare, and then I lost one there. Or 2 small ones there, but this one made it. It was pretty beat up. Nice geranium. More geraniums. And a bunch of spider mites. Check those guys out. Yeah, we'll have to move them to the other edge of the property. And here we have some lilies. Yeah, it's really nice lilies. Try to get a view of this one here. There we go. It's falling over with the wind, you know. Yeah. Little blue hyacinth there. Really loaded in here. Oh, that'll do it. Some lobelia. Here's a rhodo I rescued. Right here, it's beautiful rhodo. You know, and a Honeycrisp apple. I bought this apple tree. I don't buy many, I'll tell you that. There's Permaculture from Florida. It's for men. This here, there's a berry on it. Over here, some more lemon balm. Here's some yellow flag iris. It's beautiful. You know, it's very gorgeous. Yellow flag. Yep. It's beautiful. Here's my fig I put in the other day. It's doing quite well. Fruit trees. It's loaded. Look at that. Yeah. It's just loaded with plums. I don't think you can get another plum on there. You know. So that's wonderful. All the fruit trees are loaded here. So here's some more yellow flag. This is gorgeous. Yeah, I love the yellow flag. If you put extra water on the yellow flag, they'll give you a nice show, but if you don't water them, they won't. Here's a torch red rhodo. Very nice. It's just opening. Look at all the ones that are going to be opening. But I needed to, oh, and there's the goji right there I put in. Look, it took. It has leaves on it. And here's my Magai agave. This is a wonderful agave. This needle here is great for sewing you up. You make an incision here and here, and you can take out this here. It's a sewing needle and thread to sew up a heavy gash, you know, in a human or animal. And this acts as a gauze too. You cut it across here and you pound this, and this is a sterile gauze. Yeah, it's my agave. I've had it for a long time. It's probably 30 years old now. Yeah, wanted to show you all that. Around here there's always something that's used for something, or means more than one thing, for food or medicine. Here's another rhodo. It's a very pretty colored rhodo. It's one of my favorites. Yeah, this is a beautyberry bush here. Yeah, this is a beautyberry. Well, and lots of plums. Oh, the wind's blowing. Oh, here's a little hydrangea we just received. So that was nice. And here's the new plum. I rescued this plum. See? And it's loaded. It's only been here 2 years now. But they were going to cut it down at the hotel, and I took it home. I couldn't see it cut down. That was a shame. And here's some more green tea, camellia. Yeah. And over here we have some mint. Here's some mint, a potato, and mint. Oh, a real minty. And here's the white canna lily. Yeah. We're gonna go for the whole tour today. This could take a while, so this is bay leaf tree. Let's get over here. This is fatsia. I have no idea if it's edible or not, but there's the berries. There's lots of berries on it, but the birds eat it, but I've never eaten it. But yeah, wow, that's gorgeous. Sure is. Green tea. Yeah, and then we're gonna go down here. We're gonna go for the whole tour today. Wow. Whoop. If I lose you, I will get back. Huh. Yeah. Here's my neighbor's property. Look at all the rhodos and stuff she has. Here's a fig. This is a tree nursery. I found this rose. The lady pulled it out and threw it on the ground. It was on the ground for 2 weeks. I took it home and I soaked it in water. It's a climbing rose, you see. And she pulled it out of the ground, threw it on the ground. It was there for 2 weeks. I thought it was dead, but I soaked it in water, brought it back. Here's an Italian plum. I ate the plum, and then I wanted to open up the gene pool. I like opening the gene pool. And these are all different fruit trees, and plums, and pears, and apple trees. And here's a nice Liberty apple in here somewhere. Oh, here it is here. Here it is here. The place is pretty crowded. A lot of fruit here this year. The fruit all set, I'll tell you. Yeah. Yeah, currant here. Nice currant. Look at this. Sunchoke growing out of the cement table. There was a little hole there. One must have went in there, or two. That's interesting. So here's a plum and grape. This is all the grape here. Yeah, here's avocado here. That's my avocado. It doesn't have too many. Maybe I get something this year. Here's up here, you can see here that the grapevine is here, you see, and it grows all through this tree. all through it. And there's the food forest over there. Oh, looks like I just took a picture. And here's more plums. And this is a new grape that I put in here. See, it comes out of the crown right there. And it's really taken off. This is a sugar plum that I ate. And I like it. It's got plums on it. I don't see them right now, but right there, you see them? Sugar plums. Yeah. And here, my neighbors. Yep. These are alliums. Yep. And some sea holly there. I don't know if you can see that. Little blue. And there's her yard. Oh, here's another Italian plum, or maybe I have to look at the records. Here's a type of apple here. Yeah, this is an apple here with grape on it, you see. And this is an apricot here. And we'll just mosey on down. Here we go. This is a understory here of sunchokes and oca and potatoes and that kind of thing. It's pretty loaded. And raspberries here. This is raspberries. This is Buddleia davidii. Here we go, getting into some color. Yeah. Yeah. These are some thimbleberries here. I planted them here. I wanted them, so I planted them. This is my neighbor's. I planted these apple trees for her and stuff. Yeah, she does okay. And here's some of the thimbleberries went over there. And we'll go through here. Here we go. Here's some thimbleberry. And I'll eat these in a couple weeks. Salmon berries are almost ripe too. But it's just that this place is... oh, here. Look at this. This is teasel. And these little water catchments here, the birds eat the bugs out of there and get a drink of water. And it's teasel. There's this little brush on it that you would tease the wool onto a spinning wheel. And that's where the name teasel, that's where you get the name tease. You pull it along, you see. Oh, I got water all over me then. I spilled it. Look how much water is down there. There's lots. See? Yeah. Yeah, so we're just going to try to mosey on over here. It's pretty vast here. Here's some thornless blackberry there. And this is raspberry. And this is mulberry. And it's pretty loaded. This is an understory of sunchokes and potatoes and that kind of thing. And no, here's a fig. You see, I made clones a couple of winters ago, and now they're growing. And this is goji. Look how big the vines are. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Try to get over here. Wow. This is tayberries. It's loaded, you know. It has a lot on it. And which is good. But and this is an apple that I ate. See this apple? It's loaded on here too. See, look, there's the apples there. See them? Right there. Yeah. So the tayberry, here they are here. And here's the grape attached to the apple, see? And these grape leaves are good eating now. You see these here? These are good eating, you're very good. And we'll mosey on over here. And here's another fig. Yeah. So here's a Mirabelle plum. Oh, and it's loaded. They're all another couple of weeks and I'll be eating these for sure. And it's loaded. And see the grape growing up the Mirabelle plum? And grape here going up the apple tree? That's what you want. You want more food for the space you provide. And this is a lovely Mirabelle plum. It's gorgeous. And loaded. Yeah, it sure is. Oh, and look at this. That